The first part of our journey into test-driven development. This course uses TypeScript and is meant to fast-track practical use of TDD. Let's jump right in. Alright, so we'll quickly set up our project. I am on a Mac using the Cursor IDE, which is built upon VS Code. I'm assuming you already have Node.js and any necessary software installed, so we're just going to initialize a basic project. And once that is done, I can go ahead and set up a jest file. We'll need that in order to run our tests. And of course, with test-driven development, that always comes first. All right, so now we are going to start with a test. We'll have a simple boilerplate here, a main that should say hello world. We're starting at the absolute simplest spot I can think to start, which is the standard hello world. I have an expect one to be 1 here, and that is simply to make sure that our initialization worked correctly. So let's go ahead and try and run this. Good, we have the 1 passing test. Alright, so now we need to figure out how we're going to test. So in this case, we know that we have a main file and that we want to verify that it says hello world. Being that this is a terminal application, we're going to go ahead and check out a spy on the console. And for jest, that's going to be spy on. And we'll spy on log, and then we're going to expect the console spy to have been called with. In this case, I'm just going to say hello world. Great, let's go ahead and run that. Oh look, we're starting with red, just like we're supposed to. So with TDD, we always want to start with a red test. That way we know that our tests are working as we expect them to, and that we're only writing the code that we need. So in this case, we see that the console spy was never called. So there's good reason for that. It is because we are not calling anything. To make this work with a main file, we're going to just say that we're using the main file. All right, and of course that file does not exist, so we're going to create it, and I will give us a quick little hi, run. Oh good, okay, so we wanted hello world and we got hi. So now if we change this to hello world and run again, we have started doing test-driven development, and our console will print out hello world.